They are cracks, joints, laterals, roots, debris, inflow, alignment, and structural. Within each of these categories are various divisions and degrees of severity. Cracks are divided into two categories, radial and longitudinal. Codes A through F indicate cracks ranging from less than 1/2 inch wide by less than 1 foot long to more than 1/2 inch wide by 2 feet long. Code G indicates a small hole in the pipe. Codes H and I indicate missing sections of pipe. Code H indicates the missing piece of pipe is less than 60 degrees of the 360 degree circumference of the pipe. Code I indicates more than 60 degrees of the 360 degree circumference is missing. Joints are broken down into two categories, misaligned and broken. Now for joints there are 15 separate code letters, A through O. The first 9 code letters, A through I, represent misaligned joints. Codes A through C indicate drop joints. Codes D, E, and F indicate shifted joints. And codes G, H, and I indicate wide joints. The next 3, J through L, are used for broken joints. Codes J, K, and L indicate 3 degrees of broken joints, light, medium, and heavy. The last 3 codes, M, N, and O, represent typical joints, visible gaskets, and leaking at joints, respectively. These codes for dropped or shifted joints represent the percent of the pipe diameter clear. For example, A indicates a drop joint, but 90% of the vertical pipe diameter is still open or clear. Wide joint codes G, H, and I range from 2 inches through 3 inches to greater than 4 inches. Now let's turn to laterals or service connections. There are 8 codes, A through H, used here to describe the types and sizes of service connections. Codes A through D indicate protruding services. The E and F codes are for defective or dead connections respectively, while code G is used for factory service and code H stands for plumber service connections. Roots. There are 3 codes to describe root infiltration. A equals light, B equals medium, and C equals heavy. Now debris, such as grease, dirt, rocks, or trash. The first 3 codes, A, B, or C, indicate light, medium, and heavy debris, while codes D, E, and F indicate light, medium, or heavy grease. Inflow, or infiltration. Now there are 7 codes that indicate the amount of liquid leaking into the pipe, either in gallons per minute or in less than specific terms. Codes A through C represent GPMs from 0 to more than 5. The remaining codes, D through G, represent less than specific, ranging from some evidence to considerable evidence, and then great evidence, and last to no evidence. Alignment. These codes are used to identify situations where there is water in the pipe, and also when the camera is covered or no longer covered with water. Codes A, B, and C indicate the start point of the water situation, and codes D, E, and F indicate the ending points of the situation. Structural defects are broken down into 3 categories: deteriorated, ovality, and collapsed. These codes describe the structural integrity of the pipe. There are 4 codes that describe the degree of deterioration inside the pipe. They are L, M, H, and N. They stand for light, medium, heavy, or none. Now, ovality, or roundness of the pipe, may change over time due to many factors. This roundness, or lack thereof, is indicated in percentages from less than 5% oval to more than 5%, but less than 10%. And finally, more than 10% oval. Use codes D, E, and F respectively. A collapsed pipe is indicated by code letter G. And finally, code letter Z indicates when the camera is at the manhole.